Sanibonani, Dumelang, Bonjo. It's 2026. We are back with a bang, and you can see ukuthi even the future is bright. Lalela, siyaqopheka. Ngendlela ekuzoba mnandi ngayo. This year we are doing things a little bit different. Lalela, life graduate. Sondele duze because we are doing things differently in 2026. We are going to inspire you. On top of that, you are going to be educated. Izinto bowuzibuka uzibonela kude namhlanje uzoza. Futhi ngifuna Gen Zs come closer because we are bringing something fresh, something new, something vibrant, something that is going to, what is it?
Something ezovuselela abantu abamnyama ithuthukise the youth itself.
Uyayibo?
Ngiyakutshena kuthiwa lalela muntu omnyama, the truth shall set you free. It's time for the truth. It's time for the youth ukuthi ihlale phansi. It's time to speak into enempilo kubantu instead of constantly feeding them ama distractions.
Yebo. He needs no introduction. I call him my president. I don't know who do you call him. Zero inkinga, zero amafirifiri, zero amanyomfonyomfo kodwa kusalayo. He is my president, and watch out for the space because this is coming to you live on the Meaningful Conversations with Zanimfega. It's a brand new segment. What is the name of the segment?
Youth Parliament.
Yebo.
Asqale. Let's do it.
Youth
man.
Parliament. Sikhuluma ngani ku-Youth Parliament?
We are going to engage with the greats. Sihlale phansi nabo. We are going to make sure ukuthi we educate abantu on the system. We educate abantu on education itself, the education system. We're going to make sure ukuthi abantu know about politics and they know about izinto that are meant to distract umuntu omnyama so that we help to create a generational wealth. If umuntu omnyama knows about money, then umuntu omnyama une future. If umuntu omnyama knows about his political system, where it stands, then une future. Because right now, see lost. Bayabhema, bayaphuza. Let's change that. For once, I will put content efundisayo. For once, I will get uzwe your own hero. Ikhuluma nawe, ikutshena into enempilo. Yes.
I don't know. Yabona mangathi ngiya-edda anything ngizobe sengiyamosha. Kodwa nje sicela nje amazwibela kancane ukuthi nje mhlambe thas into enjani eqhamuka kanjani nje mhlambe ungasinika neclue ukuthi ama guest akho mhlambe oba. By the way, you are the host for this segment.
Hey, ngiyakutshena. It's my first time doing into kanjena, but I feel like ukuthi the time has come. Baningi abantu engisazobabiza la. We have Amo MK Youth President. We have Ingwele. We have Ayanda Olwethu. Bazofika bethi ngathi akuhambanga kahle. Ngiyakutshena. We have Mashudula and many more will come. I keep surprising you every episode. I make sure ukuthi kuza the best of the best. Bahlale nawe because bagcina ukubabona kwi-content. Ugcina ukubabona kwi-video ulike. It's time ukuthi uhlale phansi umuzwe ekhuluma into enempilo, inspire. It's time for inspiration. Umuntu omnyama apha.
So your content creators that will bring thought-provoking conversations,
Exactly.
your leaders that you see online that you wish to say something. Are we going to have something like ngisho noma ngasho asibayeke kancane yabo.
Okay.
Ake siqale sibanike
It's
content.
Makolelo.
When is the first episode dropping?
Keep watching. Ne? We will make sure we post everything. We will keep you up to date on all the matters regarding the podcast. This is a Sibenama behind the scenes because you deserve to be close to your heroes. When is the first episode dropping? Mamzandi, I think you should have the honor. But Jen, tell them the truth.
First episode dropping before the end of this week. Thursday, 1 p.m., right?
Yeah, definitely.
This week.
Definitely.
This week. Kumhlaka bani namhlanje?
Mhlaka namhlanje, it's the
26th, which means
January.
it's dropping on the
Yeah.
20.
On the 20. It's deep. Again, it's deep.
But okusala Thursday, 1 o'clock, your first episode is coming right away. So when just stay tuned. Stay tuned. Usuzwile ukuthi uzolindela ini. Stay tuned. Asibangene.
Sibangene. Let's do this. Asqale.